to how to make a loading screen. First, put the object in here and copy and paste and do like a distance wherever you want. And copy and paste again and again. And you click the button. I'll get it. And do the what? No. The size of the scale it's of 0.5 and go to the group of 1. Put the area proof and add the object. And you see this is edit. So click the button HSV and the wheel. Click the wheel if whatever you want and put the length or 100 and put the group at 1 and here and the center group at 2 right here, the group at 2 and the group at 5, the move trigger and the mod X and move time. So this, click the button this and put the chest loading and you put the 0 and the edit special item is 1 and time counter and put the chest over 10 out of 10 right here and you put the object this and this and finally this is if you go to the exit group you see 3 and 5. This is the scale and when you open them this scale at 0.001 and the Russian 10. The target group at 3 and Saturn group at 4. If you go to the C1, the item at go to the time, press the stop time 10 and you click that button and put the item at 1. Did you see that? That's the red. When I think about the red is group at 1, the object, and you put hide, put song, whatever you want. No sound. The move time 10, and there we are. The perfect bar loading. Wait a minute. I ruined it. And the final is this. Now put the block in here. And here we go. You see? Okay. Did it work, guys? Comment down below. It was made by me. I didn't verify. Wait, and I didn't verify. And guys, something went wrong. I I put the geometry dash that I upload the geometry dash and zeroed. That is the accident. The laptop don't put the geometry dash and zeroed. So that's happened. So thank you for watching this video and bye bye.